Hi, today we're going to be taking on box review of Transformers, Power of the Primes, Liege Maximo, and Skullgrin. Which I believe his name was called something else. Skull Crusher? Skull Cruncher? But for some reason they changed the name to Skullgrin. So these are, from Transformers G1, Master Force, where they use decoy armor / pretender shells, which was pretty cool. I mean, here, you get to see what the Prime Master looks like, and then on the back you can see a little bit more what the Prime Master looked like. So yeah, this comes with Liege Maximo. Its special ability, it's a twister. So yeah, it I guess would be like, from the Marvel Universe, Thor's, brother, Loki, the Twister. It would have been nice if it would have been called Loki Maximo or something instead of Liege Maximo. Then it'd be like, ah, yeah, Loki, Thor's brother, how he's always doing twists and stuff. Yeah, that would have been pretty awesome. But, so here's kind of what you get in there. The decoy / pretender shell armor, its little weapon, its little Prime Master, and the instruction sheet. We're super duper easy to figure out how to work one of these. So we'll just flip that little pad down. And to give you a size comparison, we'll use the Pungus over here, which actually these two are about the same size almost. Really close of the size. So then, what you do, you open this up, drop your Prime Master in there. With Prime Masters on their first try, they don't really want to work that good. Okay. And then this one, it doesn't really work that good as the Autobots. I mean, the Autobots, you could look through like the face / eyes, and then you can see the little Prime Master head in there. This one, yeah, it doesn't do anything. But then you could kind of move its arms up just like the original G1 toys could. So in Master Force, I think these were called Terrorcons. So you had the Autobots versus the Terrorcons. Yeah, Terrorcons, their decoy / armor was, a monster. So this is what it would be. A monster, I think it was. And then they would go into like the weather forms, which was like this. So this one looks like they reverse it, like it's actually in a monster form, and then they'll go into what form. But I can't actually remember what the Terrorcons did. So yeah, a lot of people, when they try and get the Prime Master out, they always pick from the head. That doesn't work. What I noticed is if you pick from the feet, like the legs, as you can see, it just easily comes out there. So, little tip, don't go for the actual head, go for the legs. And we'll give him his little weapon, which is a claw, which kind of looks like triple little ice pits for going ice mountain climbing. And that's what they kind of look like, almost. But it's like a little claw, as you can see here. Doesn't look like it's actually, like he's actually holding a weapon. It kind of looks like his arm, his hand and his arm, actually transformed into a giant claw weapon. Kind of funny. He holds it pretty good. I don't know why Metal Hearts is a little loose. So see this little notch on the foot here? That does not line up with that little hole right there. You see those little pads in there? Those little pads line up with little holes on the feet. That's how you use their prime armor. Wow, this one was like the best one to get the prime armor on there. And then you just slot this in here. Whereas this one is actually reversed. Actually, this one has little holes and the pads are on the inside. While the Autobots, the pads are on the actual holding weapon and the holes are on the little guy there. So this one's going to be a little bit more tricky of how to get on there. Oh, actually not that much. And then we just flip this around to the front of the head, which doesn't actually flip up that much because the back of the head's actually... No? That's as much as it flips up. Then we just flip down its little foot, this last pad, you know, the little pad, and it's ready to be attached to a transformer. Let's see, who should we attach it to? Yeah. And you know what, let's give it to him. He's the easiest one to work with. Hot Rod. So, yep. And what did I do with the other one here? Oh my god, I just lost a transformer. Huh. Oh, duh, it's still in his hand. I thought I took this one off. So yeah, that's what their weapons look like. So, weapon mode, not that awesome compared to Titan's Return weapons. Titan's Return weapons definitely looks a lot more awesome than Power of the Prime weapons. I mean, the Prime armor looks fantastic, but weapon modes, no. I mean, it's something different. You got these little cores instead of that. Let's pop this one off. Pop it off. Still leave it in its head mode. Well, it's core mode. And then if we pop this on here. There we go. You can kind of see it almost looks like a new head, a new face. Where you kind of got like the eyes, the nose, the little mouth. So it's either a bird. Caw, caw, I'm just a bird design. Or it could be like a new little face. Almost kind of reminds me of Bludgeon's face a little bit. Just not as much. I mean, a lot of people say, well, this one should definitely be more Bludgeon's face. I get it because, you know, it's a skull face, but I don't know, for some reason this kind of reminds me of Bludgeon. So here's the Prime Master versus the Headmaster. You could definitely tell the difference, but when they transform, let's flip his body up and him into robot mode. Yeah, same as that base ideal. Just one has a hat on the back, the other one has a little design for the Prime armor. Also, something else I noticed different is they broke the colors up. You know, this one's got purple with purple arms and purple little, I don't know, thighs, I guess you could call it. Well, this is all completely gray, and their faces are actually painted. These ones are not. But I guess, you know, because they're going inside there, you want to see their face peering out of this armor / shell. And I did not put this one back there. There we go. But yeah, you could kind of keep them, you know, as a new little head. like you wanted to. Which I guess is okay, it kind of works. But yeah, that has been the unboxing review of Transformers Power the Prime, Liege Maximo, and Skullgrin. Remember to rate, subscribe, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.